Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
West Indies head coach Darren Sammy says the issue of cricket in the region cannot be fixed with one series win over Pakistan. The Windies' 202-run victory on Tuesday saw them break a 34-year wait for a one-day international series win over Pakistan dating back to 1991. In his post-series comments, the Windies coach noted that the regional structure has to change for West Indies cricket to get back to a stage of consistency and dominance.
For me, is putting a plan in place, trusting the process. Obviously, you need support from different areas of the game. We have to revisit our franchise system, for us to be in a position to produce cricketers that are ready for Test cricket or international cricket when called upon. So a lot of things have to go right. But what we could do up here with the ability and the skills that we have is work the best that we can. And that's what we out here doing.
Sammy adds that for there to be change at the senior level, there needs to be a culture shift and a development pathway throughout the region.
The long-term goal is to change our development system, starting from, kids playing sport. You need, from 6 years old, you need to start grooming them. So we need a system, whether it be in the schools, whether it be in the clubs, the communities. From time these kids have an interest, we need to create that system that breeds that type of competitiveness with good techniques.
Longtime administrator Calvin Hope has finally completed his quest to lead cricket in Barbados after he was elected president of the local cricket board on Tuesday night at the Kensington Oval. Hope, who came close to defeating now-retired President Conde Riley 2 years ago, secured 158 votes to become the association's 12th president at the 23rd special meeting of members. Hope was able to fend off Henry Wallace, who was his closest challenger with 68 votes, followed by former West Indies opener Philo Wallace with 57. The position of president was up for grabs after Riley opted not to seek re-election, having led the BCA since 2017. The two champions from the top two European competitions last season will come together this afternoon for a chance to win the UEFA Super Cup. Champions League winners Paris Saint-Germain and Europa League holders Tottenham Hotspur will meet in Italy at 2 p.m. with a chance of winning their first Super Cup. PSG had defeated Inter Milan 5-0, while Tottenham, who are now under new manager Thomas Frank, had clipped Manchester United 1-0. Finally, Jamaica could not add to its medal tally on Tuesday afternoon at the Under-23 Junior Pan American Games in Paraguay. Jamaica's team of Nathaniel Thomas, Colin McKenzie, Sabrina Lynn and Christiania Shirley could only manage 7th in the mixed 4x100 meter medley relay in a time of 4 minutes 06.23 seconds, 14.68 seconds behind winners Brazil. And Colin McKenzie ended 6th in the men's 200 meter breaststroke A final with a time of 2 minutes 16.69 seconds. Lynn, though, won the women's 100 meter freestyle B final in a time of 57.35 seconds. Shirley was 7th in 59 seconds flat. In the meantime, both Shirley and Lynn qualified to the semifinal of the women's 50 meter freestyle during today's morning session. Jamaica's current medal tally stands at 2, 1 silver and a bronze. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, good afternoon.